Hey guys, it's Ashley from Not a Tree Reviews, and today I'm unboxing a Little Touch of Magic. This is a new box for me. I've never unboxed it before. It is. Okay, so this box has a new fantasy each month. So there's like a different theme, and it's curated around a different short story, which I think is really interesting, different, new, cool. All the items are basically enhance and bring the story to life, which is really cool. They do have, I think this is the May box, but the June theme, which is what you would be buying if you purchase now, is mermaids and sirens. How cool does that sound? It is $47.99 monthly. I think they include things like body stuff, candles, all those sorts of things. I love the box. It's purple. How pretty. Okay, so let's open it up. I don't know why I whispered that. Okay, and it smells, by the way, this box smells so good. I don't know if they're new or how long they've been around. I'll have to look into that. I am going to link down below to my full review. I'll also link to A Little Touch of Magic so you can check them out. All right, so here it says, read me first. So this, I'm guessing, is our short story, Elderwood Groves by J.M. Steele. So you have the little, and inside you have, ooh, it is an actual story. How cool. And then there's a little postcard. So this probably has something to do with the story. And then the story is in here just like this. How cool is that? I love it. So, and then here's a card that says, here's what you brought back from Elderwood Groves. So I'm guessing that these are things that you would have gotten when you were in the grove. And then there are prices on the back here, which I think is really cool. A little note card. Oh my gosh. Hold on, guys. You got to see this. Look how packed this box is. Holy guacamole. All right, first we have a sachet. I didn't take my pictures of it. Ooh, well, look at the little insert then so you guys can kind of see. Oh, I don't have my... Oh my God. I don't have anything to open this. Maybe I can just... Oh. Oh. Be really dramatic about it. Ugh. Okay. I think I will really appreciate everything more once I have read the story. So this looks like a little wind chime with a hummingbird. I'm not going to take it out because I don't want to tangle it up. But you can see the little bars here. And then I can put this outside of my tree. And there's a little I'm sorry, you guys probably are like, what is she showing me here? See kind of better when I'm showing you. I just don't want it to get tangled. It will, I know, because that's how this kind of stuff is. All right. Ooh, all right. A box that I didn't take a picture of, and now I feel bad. Oh, look, I can just slide that off. Oh, how smart. Ooh, is this a... Oh, it's a bee. Ooh, it's a bee. Oh, I love bees. You guys know that. I'm always about saving those bees. Look at him. He's so cool. Do you love it? I love it. Ah, okay. Or am I annoying you yet? Because I feel like I'm like, ooh, this is so interesting. I love when a box has a very new concept. Like, this is totally different and new. All right. We've got Tazo tea. This is the passion. And then they have a little bone mama and honey. So there's that. It's one of those little picnic things of honey. There's two... tea bags from Tazo. I should have opened that up. I don't know why I didn't. My cat is chasing. There's a fly in here. All right, what's this? What is it? What is... Ooh, how... Oh my goodness. Oh. So this actually kind of reminds me of something. There is a place not far from here. It's in like Delaware. It's a little bit of a ways, but it's called Winterthur, which is it's the home and estate of a DuPont, one of the DuPonts. And they always have the house is gorgeous and it's beautiful, but they have all these crazy gardens and it's just amazing. It's very much a perennial, like Longwood Garden. I don't know if you guys have any idea what I'm talking about. It depends on where you live. Is more annuals, biannuals, or biennials, is that right? I don't know. They do more perennial and like plants that are natural to the area, but they included a few years ago a fairy garden, and this so much reminds me of the items they have for the kids to play on. I love it. I love it there. We try to make it a point to go there every couple of years. So this reminds me of that, and I love it. I just love it. All right, then it looks like I have some soap. Honey Wildflower. And then there's one thing after this underneath. I saw it under there. Ooh. Ooh. This is what I'm smelling. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh my gosh, it smells beautiful. I love florals. You guys know that. All right. And then underneath here, there is looks like a tapestry. It's a tote bag, and it's super durable. Like, it's one of those really nice ones. I was just talking to you guys about this. And it has a zipper. And it has, oh my gosh, this reminds me of Monet. Do you not love this? Do you not love this? Oh, I love this box. Okay, let's look at our little insert. The large woven canvas lavender print tote bag is $35. The plated honeybee necklace is $40. I love that necklace, by the way. It's gorgeous. The garden fairy resin statue is $9. The wildflower soap is $6. I love that they include like all natural artisan items that are handmade from small vendors. It's so cool. The hummingbird wind chimes are $12. I'm going to show you those on my tree out front because I love, like, my tree is kind of pretty. I love it a lot. I have a little fairy garden out there too. I have the lavender sachet is $14. That's handmade and organic. And then the photo art, which is this guy right here, is by Kevin Ray Jones, and it's $8. And then the bonus is the honey and passion tea from Tazo. So that's everything that I received in my Little Touch of Magic box. What do you think? Let me know down below. Do you like this idea? Do you think it's really cool? I think it's awesome. So if you're interested in my full review, I'll link to that. I'll also link to a Little Touch of Magic so you can check them out. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye!